We went digging for fossil shark teeth.
So that right there, about halfway down the hill is that big scrape, and it goes all the way horizontal. That's where everyone's been digging for these fossils of sea lions and whales from the Miocene. So they've been digging out, and that's where they're finding all the fossils, where they kind of rain down on the bottom of the ocean floor.
Well, you'd never believe Bakersfield would have such a premium fossil site, but it has one of the world's best Miocene deposits. In the Miocene, California was under the ocean.
If you're digging for fossils up here in the dirt, you're probably not going to find them until you get down here to this tannish, grayish, really fine sandy layer. That fine grain, really silty sediment is what would have been layered on the ocean floor.
We found a lot of shark teeth.
Oh, this is so cool. This is where the bones are.
And we found a couple whale vertebrae. And we found a couple animal bones. It was like the best new spot ever.
We were sifting sand and rocks and stuff, and then we dig through the rocks.
Cookie digging?
Then you can find fossils.
Go, Cookie, go. Find those shark teeth. Find us a megalodon, Cookie.
Wait, what's this? Oh, it's a shark tooth.
You found a shark tooth? Oh my gosh, Lily just found a shark tooth.
Oh, nice. That is a piece of a shark tooth.
This one, this is also a fossil.
Whoa.
I just looked at it like, oh, this is a shark tooth. 2 shark teeth.
Go, Lily.
Okay, this is a good fossil bed. We're staying here.